Hi friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcade. This is the another video on Python's library Pandas. And today I will show you how to filter Excel data using query method. Actually, query method in Pandas is used to filter rows in data frames using a SQL-like expression, right? What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language which is preferably used for interacting with RDBMS, means Relational Database Management System. So this flavor just given within the query method in Pandas. So go to the computer screen using Python. Ideally, I will show you today's video step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the Python IDE and here I'm just write the code to filter Excel data using query method, right? Query method in Pandas is used to filter rows or columns in a data frame using a SQL-like expression, right? So to do that, we at first open a file, just go to file and just open new file. And here I'm just write the code to filter Excel data using query method, right? So at first we import the Pandas module. So just write import Pandas as PD, means we create the alias of Pandas module, right? Now we read the Excel file. So this is my Excel file, which is actually the student underscore database, this file, and contain roll number, name, city, marks, average, grade, and from there we use this query method. We put as an argument of the query method is concerned in form of SQL-like expression, and from there we get data from this table is concerned, right? So this particular table is stored in my computer E drive ML folder. Okay, so we use this path here. Okay, so just write here in that way, df equal pd dot read underscore Excel. This method we are just using, and just write the path of the Excel file // ML folder / and the file name is student underscore database dot xlsx. Excel file is concerned, the extension is .xlsx. Okay, also we are using here the engine open py excel, means this is the another module, open py excel. Okay, parenthesis close. Okay, now we use the query method, right? So we just write in that way, h underscore a, this take a variable, and then just write df dot query. Now at first we retrieve whose average is greater than 90. This is our query. Okay, so we just write in that way, df dot query, and then just write within double quote average greater than 90. Okay, double quote end, parenthesis close, and then just print the result. So just write here result is, write a new line, double quote end, comma, and then just write h underscore a dot to underscore string, and we are using here to ignore the row indices. So just write index equal false, parenthesis close, parenthesis close. Okay, so this is the first query is concerned. We are find out whose average is greater than 90. Okay, now the next one is that for the Excel file is concerned, the student whose city is Kolkata and also the average is greater than 90. We want to retrieve this data from this table. So in that we just write, so take another variable k underscore t equal df dot query, and then just write in that way city equal within single quote, suppose write Kolkata, single quote close, and then just write and average greater than 90. Okay, and then we just close the double quote, parenthesis close, and then same way just write here print, put a new line, and then just write result is, put a new line again, double quote end comma, same way just write k underscore t dot to underscore string, and the argument is index equal false to ignore the row indices. Okay. The third query is concerned, we find out the grade of the students whose grade are either A or B. Those student data will want to retrieve. Okay. So in that case we write in that way, fi equal df dot query, and then just write in that way grade equal within single quote capital A, or grade equal within single quote capital B, B within a single quote should be close, and then double quote close, then close the parenthesis, and same way just print the result, just write print within double quote new line, result is new line, and same way just write fi dot to underscore string, and same way just write as an argument index equal to false, parenthesis close, parenthesis close. And now we want to retrieve specific columns using SQL like expression using this query method, right? So in that case we write in that way, suppose r equal, and just write df dot query this method, and send the argument in that way, average greater than 90, and then we took those column, suppose we want to pick the column name and the grade and also the city. Only these three column we want to retrieve, not the all columns. Okay, because other columns like average, marks are there, roll number is there, but we want to retrieve only the name, city and grade. Okay, not the others. So that's why we take name, grade and city. Okay, and then we just print the result, same way print within double quote, put a new line, and then just write result is, put a new line, double quote end comma, just write r dot to underscore string, and send argument index equal to false to ignore the indices, parenthesis close, parenthesis close. Okay, now we save the file, just go to file and save it. Suppose put the name of the file is pa9, and automatically the extension of Python file is .py. Okay, now if you run this code, just press F5. It took some time to compute, and just see, at first it give the data whose average all are above 90. Second one, only the city is Kolkata and also average is 90 given. Third one is given grade A or grade B, only this data we need to retrieve. So in that case is retrieve A and B, those grades, just retrieve that data. And last one, it retrieve not the all column, only the name, grade and city, other columns just ignore, because the last query we are fired or we are right here for specific columns, just filter here. Okay, so query method actually give the flavor of SQL like expression. SQL is a preferably used for interacting with RDBMS, relational database management system. So this flavor just given within this Pandas module in form of a query method. So within the query we put some SQL like expression, and from there we get the data from the overall table is concerned. From there we get a particular expression we can retrieve using according to whatever the expression we are sent as an argument within the query method. I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very special. We are using here query method for filtering data from Excel file, right? So here I am using query method to filter Excel data, right? So if you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical RPN for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.